How to convert PDF into a Word document. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to easily convert your PDF into a Word document without any external software. But before we get started, make sure to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. Also, turn on the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our new uploads. Now, let us jump right in. So, as you guys can see here, I have a PDF here on my desktop. So, it's a random PDF. So, if you want to convert this into a Word document, then the first thing you have to do is simply open up your Microsoft Word. Go to your search bar and search for Word, and then open it up. Now, once you open up your Word, you are going to head over to the Open tab right here. And then once you do that, you can simply go to this option that says Browse, and you can just browse for your file. So I'm just going to head over to my desktop, head over to this new folder, and here I have the document. So I'm just going to open it up. Now, as you can see, the Word will now convert your PDF into editable Word document. It may take a while. The resulting Word document will be optimized to allow you to edit the text, so it might not look exactly like your original PDF. Now, click on OK, and your entire PDF will be converted into a Word document. As you can see, some of the text here you cannot edit properly because it's on the header section, so you'll have to edit it yourself, and after you're done you can convert it back to PDF. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. I'll see you on the next one.